The other day I was going to place a Instacart order. I'm gonna get us a pork loin. We haven't had a pork loin in a while. So I placed my order. The order shows up. What I ordered is not what I got. Good news is it ended up being something way better. This might be a pork loin killer. I don't know if I'm buying pork loin again. This is called pork ribeye roast, man. Take a look at this thing, bro. This is basically the ribeye steak of pork. It's got a lot of marbling all through it. It's got a fat cap. But the most of all, man, the flavor of this thing is off the chain. So this being pork, the first thing I did was dry brine these babies, man. All you have to do is sprinkle kosher salt lightly on both sides. Put it on a wire rack. Put that rack on a sheet pan. Put it in the fridge. Let the salt do its thing for about 8 to 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours and now it's time to season the meat and get it on the grill, man. Now I love something savory and sweet when I'm doing pork. So I use this brown sugar bourbon seasoning from Grill Mates and I think it's really good. We are not going to be going low and slow with these babies. I am looking at keeping them somewhere between 275 and 300 degrees the whole time. But you do need to pay close attention to your internal temp here. Time for a check-in, man. Let's look at that IT and see what's happening. And look at that IT, man. Look where it is. We're sitting at 110 degrees already. So it's not going to take this thing long. And that next check-in should be almost there if it's not there. Alright, it's time for another check-in, man. And I have not been bringing you back and filming every single check-in, but I've been doing them for about every half an hour or so. And we're at the point where this baby is up to temp. Like I'm looking at 145 right now. It's really time to pull this thing. Now, like I said, the rest is extremely important. It's good marbling, but it's still pork. So we gotta let it rest at least 15 minutes. I suggest you tip that meat with some foil. That's literally like putting some foil over it and making it look kind of like a tent. And let it sit for at least 15 minutes. All right, after 15 minutes, this is the result, man. Look at all of this juice on my cutting board, just from cutting through, man. I'm not squeezing it or anything. This thing is delicious, bro. The flavor on this thing is so much better than pork loin, in my opinion. And it's just an easy, quick 2-hour thing, man. You can't beat it. I might be sworn off pork loin now. It's right on the grill.